What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So I wanted to go over Safemoon quickly, the technical analysis, and why I think we could see another parabolic, absolute flying rocket ship to the moon break away from the 20 EMAs. It's not healthy, but especially with these new coins, that's what you're going to see, and you're going to see a lot of that in the overall crypto market. That's just the name of the game on this bull run. So let's get into it. So I've drawn a symmetrical wedge here, and we've finally broken out this key level of resistance at about 491 that we were talking about in the last video. We've broken out of it, but we could very possibly just roll over once again and continue to consolidate. Now, guys, the reason why you're not seeing another impulsive wave where you're not seeing an absolute parabolic soar with Safemoon is because there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market right now due to the correction, and people don't want to buy because they think the bull run might be over. But we're starting to see a little bit of market correction. It might not be the true correction to the uptrend. We might see more of a correction with BTC. However, what most likely is going to happen with Safemoon is we consolidate, and then we see our next parabolic movement, and then we sell off once again for Safemoon. Now, I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon because the market's still correcting. You can see here we have descending volume. So we most likely will do more of this along this channel here and just stabilize and consolidate. And we may come back to find this bottom here. We have seen that buying action, but our main level of resistance at 587 up here still has not been anywhere close to broken. And if we look on the 1-day chart, guys, we can see that the 20 EMA still needs to catch up to the candles. This yellow line here, what we want to see, and most likely what's going to happen, is we consolidate, the 20 EMA comes up, we form a bullish pendant or a bull pendant. We consolidate, we break out, and we see our next absolutely parabolic wave with Safemoon. All right, guys, so we need the market to correct so we don't have the fear and uncertainty and doubt, but there's still so much interest in Safemoon. It's still the number one most viewed coin on coin market cap. You know, your mom, your dad, and your little 16-year-old brother is like, "Hey, mom, can I have $20 to go with my friends?" "Oh, sure, Billy, here you go." And he goes onto his bank account, he deposits it, and he throws it onto PancakeSwap, and he buys some Safemoon. That's how much hype is around this coin right now. So we can see here that we have broken out, so that's a good sign, but we might just roll over again and find this support down here at about 409. So I'm going to pull out the Fibonacci to give you guys some price targets. So you pull it from your peak down to your bottom, and we have a strong bottom here, this double bottom right here, so we can go over some price targets. So our key level that we just can't seem to break on the Fibonacci is right here at 603. We can see here, actually I can move my fib up just a tad. That's fine. We can see here we tried to test it, but we sold off once again, and because the market is correcting, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So what most likely is going to happen is we'll continue to consolidate before we see our next leg up. And if we're able to break our high right here, hopefully what we want to see, I don't know if this will happen with Safemoon because it's just such a new coin and you tend to have those impulsive waves, but I'm going to show you what I'd like to see is we set, we consolidate. Why is this color? Can I please change this color? Bruh, come on. Are you kidding me? Color, give me white. All right, that's better. We consolidate, and then we set higher highs and higher lows and slowly make our way back up. But the thing about Safemoon is there's so much hype around it, and you've got Billy throwing his $20 into the play that we can see these waves. But if we create higher highs and higher lows, and we don't just go like this, where it's just parabolic, to our high up here, we might obviously see some sellers because everyone's holding who bought up here and are waiting to get back to these highs. But if we set higher highs and higher lows and slowly get back up to this high, or we just, see, impulsive wave after impulsive wave, we have our price targets up here. So we have some price targets up here if we break this high at or at 125. But guys, if we see anything like this, if we see another parabolic wave that's the similar size as this one that we had here, well guys, we're going to see some massive gains for Safemoon. If we take it from our previous high and we give that a price target, you're looking at 0.000167. If we were to have a similar parabolic movement like we had here with Safemoon, which is very possible. If there's big news, if the hype comes back as the market corrects and people are like, holy, Safemoon's going to the moon again, then we're going to see basically, if we take it from our bottom, you're looking at a gain of basically 421%. And even if you take it here from your top, you're looking at 83% from the top. And if we were to ever get up here on the Fibonacci, I mean, the best time obviously to buy is down here. But, you know, if you were silly and you bought the green candles and you bought at the top, you're still looking at, bruh, come on, bro. You're still looking at a gain of over 100%. So not financial advice, guys, but if you're looking to get into Safemoon, like I rebought in around these levels here, if you buy in now and we see that impulsive wave, let's say you get in, let's say you even get in right here at this bottom, you're looking, good Lord, Jax, what are you doing? Get it together, bro. You're looking at a gain of about almost 400% for Safemoon if you were to get into your trade at the current level that we're at. So I definitely see us consolidating more until the market corrects. Because there's just too much fear, uncertainty, and doubt with all the people that are new to crypto. And when they see Bitcoin, Ethereum correct this hard, they freak out, right? So I think we'll continue to consolidate, as I've been saying. We'll consolidate, and hopefully we start setting. But the thing is, once we start setting some higher highs and higher lows, if we get anywhere close to this high that we had here, people are just going to go crazy. There's going to be people who are selling due to the fact that they bought in up here. But you're also going to have the people like, holy shit, I think Safemoon's going to start going back higher. And then we'll see another absolute parabolic wave, possibly all the way up to 183.000183. So it's very possible for Safemoon just because there's so much hype around it. And their marketing, like honestly, the reason I'm invested into Safemoon originally when it first started with my fun money play was purely because of the marketing. Their marketing just, it blows me away. It doesn't blow me away, but it's very catching. You know, you can see it here. They now have 1.4 million holders and they always post these sick videos. Like their marketing is just awesome and it's so catching. And now they got the Safemoon exchange coming out. They're listed on seven exchanges. There's possible collaborations in Africa coming up. We're going to see with what happens with the unbanked. So I mean, it's funny because a lot of people are still like, oh, it's a scam and, you know, it's a joke, a rug pull. And it's just like, how long is it going to take before people's minds change towards Safemoon and like, oh, this company looks pretty legit, actually. I mean, 7 exchange listings, 1.4 million holders. The Safemoon exchange they have raised enough money to get it started. The team is always doing AMAs, showing their faces. If it's a rug pull, what do you think is going to happen, guys? The lawyers step in, they get sued, all this stuff goes down. They're showing their face every day, and they most likely go to jail. So it's very unlikely, in my opinion, for Safemoon. It's your safest bet out of the new coins, in my opinion. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're new, let me know your thoughts on Safemoon, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.